Okay, this problem says Lewis wants to build an obtuse triangle. He has already decided to use a square with an area of 81 square units and a square with an area of 25 square units. What area of the square could he use to form the third side of his triangle? Explain your reasoning. So he has a area of square of 25 and 81. The first thing I need to make sure is that my triangle is less than the side lengths. So the side length of a 25 is 5 plus 9, which equals 14. So it means my side length needs to be less than 14. So I know that 13 would make a triangle, and 13 squared is 169. So I know that 169 would work in this scenario. So then I need to see if 169 is going to make a triangle that will work. So I do 25 plus 81. When I do 25 plus 81, I get 106. So 106 is less than 169, which makes an obtuse triangle. So 106 would work. So let's see if 12 would work. 12 squared is going to be 144, which is still greater. So 106 is less than 144, still makes an obtuse triangle. So any of these would work. So 11 squared, 121. So I can have it 169. It could be 121. It could be 13 squared. It could be 144. Okay, and anything kind of in between there. So that's if I used 5 and 9 as my shorter sides. But I could also figure out what my other side could be. So what if 9 was my biggest triangle? So I could use 5, because 5 plus 5 is bigger than 9. I could use 6. Okay, 7, 8, 9. So I could also use 5, which is 25. So I could have 25 as my side length. I could also have 6 squared, 36 could be the side length. Okay. So any of these are options. Anything, like there's ranges, but any of those would be viable options. So then B says, if he makes an acute triangle instead, what size should the square be? So as long as the area of the square keeps the keeps my side length, so it's greater than this time. So now I can pick numbers that are greater than that still make it bigger than 14. So any number between 56, so my areas have to be 56 to 106. So the side length of 9 would work, because 5 plus 9 is 14. It's greater than 9. Okay, so it works. And 9 squared is 81. 106 is greater than 81, which is going to make a acute triangle.